Before we start, I did like to draw your attention to my presentation. Good morning, everybody, and thanks for coming. Before it, I want to introduce myself. My name is Chanderib Amsal from Mechatronics 7B, and I want to tell you about temperature and humidity monitoring system based on STM32F407VG Discovery microcontroller. Before walking you through topic, I will begin by giving you an overview of background, research method, research and discussion, and last conclusion. Let's looking ahead. First, I want to tell you about research background. First, weather condition vary in a room. This condition affect the relative value of weather such as the temperature and humidity value that are around the environment in which we are located. For this reason, a measuring instrument is made that can inform the condition of temperature and humidity in a room. Now, I want to tell you about my research method. Here, there are several methods that I use, including first, study literature. Study literature collecting information from various literature in the form of books, journal, datasheet, and the internet related to the microcontroller system. Two, block diagram circuit system. As you can see in picture, in the input block, there is a DHT11 sensor, which is used to read the temperature and humidity value in the room. The sensor input data will be processed on the STM32V 32F407VG Discovery microcontroller. This microcontroller is the brain of the temperature and humidity measurement system. In the output block, there is a liquid crystal display or LCD, buzzer, and light emitting diode or LED. Third, design system prototype. In design the prototype, I use a black box which analogies to a room. The microcontroller is placed in the black box, while the buzzer and LED are placed outside the black box. The sensor of DHT11 is placed outside the black box to detect the temperature and humidity of the air around the room. Fourth, design electrical. In the electrical, I design which lines or pin are used in the process of monitoring temperature and humidity. Sensor, sensor input and all output such as LED, LCD, and buzzer are connected to the microcontroller. Now, I want to tell you result and discussion. First, the DHT11 sensor characteristic testing. This test is conducted to determine the characteristic of sensor, where measurements are made using a digital multimeter between the sensor data pin and the ground by apply heat to the sensor. The voltage result obtained are as in the following table. From the table, it can be concluded that the output voltage generated by a sensor increased by 50 microwatt for every 5 degrees Celsius temperature increase. Two, temperature and humidity testing. This test is carried out to determine the success of the system and the result voltage. The result are as in the following table. From the table, it can be seen that when the temperature is 29, 29 and relative humidity 67%, the indicator LED and buzzer turn off and LCD display the condition of the safe room. Otherwise, when the temperature is 31 and relative humidity 95%, buzzer on, LED blinking, and LCD indicator warning. And result voltage is 4.669. The relationship between temperature and relative humidity and the resulting voltage is that the higher the value of temperature and relative humidity product, the lower the resulting voltage converts the lower the value of temperature and relative humidity generated, the higher the resulting voltage. And last conclusion is DXT11 sensor is a sensor that can detect air temperature and humidity. When the temperature is greater than 30 degrees Celsius and humidity greater than 70%, the light emitting diode indicator will flash and the buzzer turn on so that the liquid crystal displays the condition of the room in the danger or a warning. The relationship between temperature and relative humidity and the resulting voltage is that the higher the value of temperature and relative humidity product produce, the lower the resulting voltage. Conversely, the lower the value of temperature and relative humidity generated, the higher the resulting voltage. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you.